It all seems to be unraveling for the Congress-led opposition bloc INDI Alliance just ahead of the crucial 2024 Lok Sabha elections, with the TMC in West Bengal officially and AAP in Punjab thinking of going it alone. And the man renowned as Chanakya of the BJP, Amit Shah, who is also touted as the shrewd electoral tactician, had predicted the alliance crumbling during an India Today conclave last year.
3 महीने से वो इंडिया अलायंस वाले थोड़े से बिजी थे, कांग्रेस क्योंकि चुनाव लड़ रही थी। अब वो कह रहे हैं कि 19 को उनकी बैठक है। अगर जो इंडिया अलायंस की सोच है कि 400 सीटों पे 1-on-1 बीजेपी वर्सेस इंडिया अलायंस अगर होता है।
भाई राहुल, एक बात बताओ तुम, मैं तो नहीं समझ पाता, थोड़ा असमर्थ हूं। इंडिया अलायंस है कहां, बताओ तो।
वो तो
मैं आपको पूछता हूं, एक एक राज्य। कश्मीर पहले से एक अलायंस बना हुआ है, इससे क्या ऐड होगा? पंजाब में हो नहीं रहा है। हिमाचल में भारत और भाजपा और
पंजाब में वो होप करें कि हो जाएगा।
नहीं हो रहा है ना अभी। हिमाचल भाजपा कांग्रेस सीधी फाइट है, दिल्ली में हो नहीं रहा है, हरियाणा सीधी फाइट है, फिर आगे चले जाओ राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़ सीधी फाइट है, गुजरात सीधी फाइट है, महाराष्ट्र में पहले से हो रखा है, बिहार में पहले से हो रखा है, बंगाल में हो नहीं रहा है, उड़ीसा में हो नहीं रहा है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हो नहीं रहा है, तेलंगाना में हो नहीं रहा है, आंध्र प्रदेश में हो नहीं रहा है, तमिलनाडु में पहले से बना हुआ है, केरल में हो नहीं रहा है। तुम इंडी अलायंस कहां देख रहे हो?
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Wednesday dropped the Ekla Chalo bomb on the INDA bloc by announcing the TMC will go it alone in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. This effectively rules out any alliance with the Congress in the state.
हम जब इंडिया का मीटिंग करते हैं, इंडिया नाम हमने दिया, लेकिन मेरे का दुख का बात है ये कहने का। हम जब मीटिंग में जाते हैं, हम देखते हैं सीपीएम मीटिंग को कंट्रोल करते हैं, जिसको साथ 34 साल हमारा जिंदगी में लड़ाई किया हमने, हम उसको कोई एडवाइस नहीं मानेंगे। हमको बहुत असम्मान मिलते हैं, लेकिन तब भी जितना लीडर है रीजनल पार्टी को, मैंने क्या बोला, रीजनल पार्टी को इलेक्शन रीजनल पार्टी के ऊपर छोड़ दो, जो रीजनल पार्टी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, और 300 सीट में आप अकेला लड़ो, हम मदद कर देगा, हम आपका कोई सीट में हम नहीं लड़ेंगे। वो लोग क्या कहते हैं, हमको जो मर्जी हो हम करेंगे। एक बात याद रखना, बीजेपी को मदद मत करो। बीजेपी का अगर तुम लोग मदद करोगे कोई, तो अल्लाह का कसम आप लोगों को कोई माफी नहीं करेगा, हम तो माफी नहीं करेंगे।
It is a politically astute move by Mamata Banerjee to drop the Congress like a hot potato for two reasons. The Congress's vote share went from 13.5% in 2009 Lok Sabha elections to 9.7% in 2014 and fell below 5% in 2019. Of the 42 Lok Sabha seats, Congress was reduced from 6 in 2009 to 4 in 2014 to just 2 seats in the last elections. In the same span, the AITC increased its vote share from 31.2% in 2009 to 39.8% in 2014 and 43% in 2019. Now, I am here to put the decisions taken by Didi and Punjab CM Bhagwant Mann in context to understand what it means for the India Alliance. Will the regional parties in southern states of Kerala, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu follow suit? With powerhouses like TMC and AAP basically ruling out an alliance, does the Congress stand any chance in the south with their regional allies? First up, Kerala. The INDA Alliance is the combination of several parties in the country. The ruling LDF led by the CPM in Kerala is unofficially part of the alliance. It is important to understand here that the CPM and Congress are in an unofficial alliance at the national level, but in Kerala they remain foes. The left is bound to strategize to win as many Lok Sabha seats as possible. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan will work harder to deny the Congress-led UDF a repeat of the 2019 performance when it won 19 of the 20 seats in the state. So even though an alliance of sorts has been forged, there is no doubt that the CPM and Congress will contest against each other, and I would be very surprised if they decide to fight the elections together for the 20 Lok Sabha seats in the state. So the relevance of this alliance is as brittle as glass, and at best there could be a post-poll alliance. The CPIM, which is struggling to maintain its national party status, is unlikely to be a major help for the Congress either in Kerala, West Bengal or even Tripura. On a personal note, I see the CPIM staying with the INDI Alliance simply because the party's General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri hopes to be a union minister, a berth he narrowly missed out on during the UPA 1 regime. Now let's switch focus to Karnataka, where the Congress led by CM Siddaramaiah recorded a massive win by usurping the BJP on the back of its guarantees, with rumors swirling about in political circles that the fate of the Lok Sabha elections will decide whether Siddaramaiah will continue as CM. The Congress is already on a sticky wicket here, with Deputy CM DK Shivkumar, who has more to gain if the Congress fails. Well, all this is conjecture, of course, but the Congress seems to have already missed a trick with the only other major political party in the state, the JDS, allying with the BJP for the Lok Sabha polls. Former CM and BJP MLA Baswaraj Bommai has predicted surprising results in all southern states.
INDI Alliance has broken apart. Without the leaders like Mamata Banerjee, Nitish Kumar, and Ekla Chalo, what is it? And this bickering is against the policy and attitude of the Congress. So Congress is unable to get the confidence of the opposition party itself. What they will get the confidence of the people? It is a big setback for Congress.
The Congress and former Prime Minister-led JDS had contested 2019 elections together, but it was the BJP that romped home, winning a massive 25 out of 28 seats. Now, anyone following Karnataka politics closely will tell you that the JDS forged an alliance with the BJP for the Lok Sabha polls simply because it is a matter of remaining politically relevant. It is crucial to understand that the regional party commands a substantial vote share of the Vokkaliga community concentrated in the southern part of the state. While seat share talks are on shaky grounds between the BJP and JDS, what the Saffron Party has done is that they have cleverly taken JDS out of the picture. The Congress, which enjoys a massive advantage among Kurubas, Muslims and Dalits in the state, the BJP will look to bring the Lingayats back into its fold, who alienated them in the 2023 assembly elections, and the JDS will look to consolidate its Vokkaliga vote bank. Now to Telangana. The Congress here again is on a high, having ousted the two-time ruling party BRS in the assembly elections last year on the back of severe anti-incumbency against the KCR-led BRS government. The Congress would look to do much better than the 3 out of 17 Lok Sabha seats it won in 2019, with no political parties that are part of the India bloc, and there is no love lost between KCR and CM Revanth Reddy. The Congress will have to rely on its guarantees and ghar wapsi of some BRS leaders to make an improvement on their tally. Now let's switch focus to Andhra Pradesh, the elder Telugu sibling of the youngest state of India. With Andhra Pradesh assembly polls set to be held at the same time as the Lok Sabha elections, the state presents an interesting political potpourri of alliances, but none in favor of the Congress. It was just last week when YS Sharmila, the younger sister of Andhra Pradesh CM Jagan Mohan Reddy, was announced as the chief of the Andhra unit of Congress. With the state set for an intense political sibling rivalry the decision taken by the Congress would have spurred Jagan to fight even more fiercely, with two other major players, namely Chandrababu Naidu-led TDP and Janasena party led by Pawan Kalyan forming an alliance. The Congress will have to rely only on Sharmila to gain traction through sympathy. It is worth noting that the Congress lost any relevance in both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for its role in the bifurcation of the two states, and it was only last year they managed to claw their way back into Telangana. Following a disastrous spell in Andhra Pradesh following the death of Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy, the Congress has failed to capitalize on the aspiration of his son Jagan, who went on to form the YSR Congress Party. With no proper organization and a decade in the wilderness, the Congress is now heavily dependent on an untested Y.S. Sharmila to match some of the most astute political opponents in India. In the land of Dravidian politics of Tamil Nadu, the ruling DMK led by CM Stalin on paper remains one of the closest allies of the Congress and the India bloc. But when it comes to talks of seat sharing, it's a completely different ball game. With DMK-led alliance having won 38 out of 39 Lok Sabha seats in the 2019 general elections and romping to victory in the assembly elections that followed, the Dravidian major unofficially heads the India Alliance here in Tamil Nadu. With the other major Dravidian party, AIADMK, fading out of relevance due to internal conflicts and the Congress diminishing in the north, the DMK is likely to demand all or nearly all of the 39 MP seats. The first meeting of the seat sharing committees of the DMK and Congress party is proposed to be held on the January 28th, and it is very unlikely to be a very rosy affair, with other allies of the dominant Dravidian party, namely the MMK and IUML, also demanding their pound of flesh. There is speculation that the Congress will demand 15 seats, but the DMK is very unlikely to oblige. The defeat of the Congress in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan has taken the fizz out of such demands. So when you put all this into perspective, there seems to be nothing inclusive about the Indian National Development Inclusive Alliance in the southern states. For India Today SoSouth, this is Gautam Shankar.